Have you heard of a membership that pays you back and you're still on a fence? Let me explain you. So you know, right? You know that to make a product, it costs one price and it's the lowest one, correct? So manufacturing produces a product, any product, then it sells to a wholesale person or company, right? And so in order to make money for manufacturing, they double the price of a product for the wholesalers to get it. Correct, right? You knew that, I hope. Then that wholesaler also wants to make money of that product and also doubles the price and sells to us for more. I mean, everyone is making money. And you're saying MLM is a pyramid. So here we go. Even at the retail world, it is a pyramid scheme, right? I mean, if manufacturing, making product, let's say $5 it costs for them to manufacturing, right? Then they double the price, so it's 10 to sell to a wholesaler. And wholesaler, he bought for $10, and he has to make somehow money, right? And all those expenses, he has to cover it. So let's say he put it not 10, but 20, because all those expenses he has to advertise and do some other stuff, trading shows or something, right? It needs to be covered by somebody. And it's you and me. So, I have been in this industry, so I know how it works. I had to do the same thing to raise the price, like to double or even triple the price, right? And I have been at the MLM business and I have been at the retail sale. So I know how it works, guys. And this company that is changing lives, changing the industry. It's an amazing company. They're not making money out of nobody. If they bought the product, let's say from manufacturing for $10, they might be add $1 or $2 to keep that whole whatever that storage space, right? To keep that warehouse. Somebody has to pay for a warehouse, but they're not going to make more out of us. Just $1 or $2 from a product. That's it. And basically we get the product at the wholesale. And that's why this company, the $9.95 club, that membership that pays you back, nobody's making money out of products. None. Nobody. So that's why they can bring it to us at the affordable prices. So you can have those products and services that they're offering at the cost. It's basically at the cost. I mean, think about it. I cannot be more excited about it because I know people, they're offended because people are making money or MLM is making money. But how about retail? They also make money. Yeah. Did you think about it? How we make money here is through the membership. Anybody joins after me, I'm getting paid. I mean, it's only $9.95 a month. That's it. You just have to pay like $10 a month and you will have access to all those products and services that at the highest price. You can check it out. We have like certified organic products and the prices are unbelievable. Like, let's say CBD oil. I know that product is like cost $80, $90 for a small bottle, right? And here you can get it for like less than $15 and it's certified organic. I mean, it's mind blown. It's mind blown. So we make money again from a membership. That's why membership that pays, it pays me when I invite you. When you join me, when somebody else is joining me, even if it's not me who invited, but if it's like coming from everywhere. I'm getting paid. And like I showed you in my statements, I have been paid for the whole year since I didn't work for this company. I didn't do anything, and I had been paid monthly. And now I'm getting weekly pay. So I'm inviting you to this opportunity. Join me and we can change the industry together. Let others know about these amazing products, about this amazing membership that pays you. Where's my finger? That pays you back.